Guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about global minimum corporate tax. Our today's quotation is, even if you are a minority of one, the truth is always truth. Said by Mahatma Gandhi. So always stand with truth. Our today's question is, the US Treasury Secretary has urged G20 nations to move towards a global minimum corporate tax. The proposal for a minimum global corporate tax, income tax, could be a game changer. We have to comment on it. First of all, what is corporate tax? Corporate tax is a direct tax levied on the net income or profit of a corporate entity from their business, foreign or domestic. Why it is in news? The US Treasury Secretary has urged G20 nations to move towards a global minimum corporate tax. Proposal on global minimum corporate tax rate is 21%. It is an attempt to reverse 30 years race to bottom in which countries have restored slashing corporate tax rates to attract MNCs, multinational corporations. Reason behind it? It was the previous cut in tax from 35% to 21%. To deter the shifting of multinational operations and profit overseas. US is a hub of big tech companies like Google, Facebook, Apple, Amazon and so on. They rotate their business base in tax haven countries like Ireland, Singapore. Because of this, US lose $100 billion increased tax in pandemic to push $2.3 trillion for infrastructure. Issues because of this, it will impact sovereignty of a country to take her own tax related decisions, also impact poor developing countries to attract foreign investment, more stress to the poor citizens because it increase the dependency on the indirect tax, also impact on GDP of a country and increase income gap between rich and poor, generate an unemployment because after fixing tax companies can shift their base to the rich countries. Benefits of it help to reduce base erosion for profit and escape from tax and to 30 years of race to bottom, beneficial for the comprehensive development of a country, and it is a progressive tax which helps to poorer class. Then country will invest more if they generate profit from global minimum corporate tax. Then global response. What is the global response for this proposal? The European Union Commission backed the US proposal and it should be decided after OECD discussion. IMF also supporting this proposal and India is also participating in discussion. Our way forward would be need global partnership and participation. India also engaging. Then exempt poor countries to help them. Need to focus on corporate social responsibility and proper tax payment. Then our conclusion would be, after analysis of the whole situation of the global minimum corporate tax and objections of World Bank President, developed nations should consider developing and poor nations and need to follow the holistic approach, which can be win-win situation for the whole world and also help to achieve SDG 9. Do you know what? Also create mutual trust between the countries and shared prosperity. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. And Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.